MicroIQ locks are perfect for your enclosures, storage cabinets, case goods, and lockers. The U series is a cam lock replacement, capable of mounting into industry-standard double D holes in both steel and wood enclosures, and can connect to almost any style cam. The supervisor can add one additional user code to the lock. The user code can be 3 to 6 digits in length. To add a user code, press and release the program button 2 times, followed by the supervisor code. When the yellow LED is lit, enter the desired user code, and then press the lock program button. When the new code is entered and stored, the green LED will flash for 3 seconds. Once the key fob is learned into the lock can now be accessed with the key fob. Simply point the key fob at the lock under the program button and press the center button of the key fob as shown. MicroIQ, intelligent locks for the workspace.